Very good morning to all our Talking-Forex listeners. Welcome to the European Morning Call. Hope you've had a great weekend. Taking a look at the markets this morning, Euro-dollar trading around the 134.00 mark, down over 50 pips. Taking a look at the raft of comments over the weekend, just picking out some of the key ones. According to sources at the G20 meeting, they are now preparing for a Greek default sometime after October or between October and November, and they are looking at increasing the EFSF to around 3 trillion euros there. Also, some comments out of the Chinese Sovereign Wealth Fund over the weekend saying that they will definitely not be buying European bonds. ECB's Novotny saying or reiterating that they will extend 12-month tender liquidity operations for banks. And we've also seen comments from the German Deputy FM Finance Minister Asmussen saying that the next tranche of Greek Troika aid will be delayed following the October 3rd meeting, after the delays in the Troika report emanating from Greece. So some pretty much bad news all over the weekend, and we have seen on the back of that risk-averse flows. Dollar index currently up around 0.5%. Euro-dollar, as previously mentioned, trading around 134.00. We have seen a large sell-off in the commodity space. That's after the CME hiked gold, silver and copper margins, and we are seeing the commodity complex weaker as a result, and as a result of that, the commodity-linked currencies significantly down on the day. Aussie dollar trading around the 97.00 mark. Just worth a note over the weekend, we also saw some comments from SNB's Hildebrand saying that reiterating that he will defend the Euro-Swiss cap at 120 with all the facilities available to Switzerland. And we are seeing some strengthening in the Swiss currency in early trade, however bouncing back about to 122 in Euro-Swiss. So it just looks like a bit of thin liquidity in those Swiss markets, so just keep an eye out on that. In terms of the rest of the session, it's pretty quiet in terms of data out of the Eurozone. As always, we're looking out for the comments emanating from any further ECB speakers or European sources, and later on in the US session, quite a few speakers out of the FOMC, with Raskin and Kocherlakota both speaking later on in the US session. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.